Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some nostalgic, vintage vibes cottage home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Nostalgic vintage vibes cottage home decor is a warm, cozy and charming decorating style that blends comfort, history and soft romantic touches. It feels like stepping into a peaceful, story-filled space. All that might remind you of a grandmother's home, a countryside cottage, or a beloved place from childhood. This style feels like warm tea in a soft armchair, quiet mornings with sunlight through curtains, stories of family and memory in every corner. The soul of nostalgic vintage cottage style. This decor style is about perfection or trends. It is about emotion, memory, and comfort. A nostalgic vintage cottage home should feel gently aged, never new. Collected over time, not bought all at once. Personal, soulful, and calm. Every item looks like it belongs and has a story. Furniture, soft shapes and gentle egging. Furniture is usually rounded, curved or curved, made of solid wood, lightly distressed, chalk painted or naturally aged. Popular furniture looks painted wooden cabinets in cream or chaise, farmhouse dining tables with own-aged, slender-legged chairs, window trunks or blanket chest. Tips: small imperfections like scratches, faded paint actually add beauty. Patina and imperfection very important. This style celebrates peeling paint, faded prints, yellowed book pages, tarnished brush or silver. Nothing should look factory perfect. That used and loved. Feeling is the heart of nostalgia. Textiles. Layering is everything. Layering soft textiles creates instant warmth. Use floral, cotton or linen bedding, crochet or lace table genres, patchwork quilts, embroidered pillow covers, soft rugs stacked over wooden floors. Patterns are often small florals, gingham checks, delicate stripes. Windows and curtains. Windows play a big role. Use shade lace curtains, light floral chops, soft cotton tapex, wooden or brass curtain rods. Sunlight filtering through fabric gives the space a dreamy glow. Lighting, soft and romantic. Avoid harsh lighting. Must use table lamps with fabric shades, candle holders, fairy lights tucked into shelves, vintage style lanterns. Lighting should feel warm and golden, like late afternoon sun. Accessories and styling details. These small items add a strong nostalgic character. Use wicker or wire baskets, old clocks, enamel jugs, mason jars, handmade pottery, dried flowers or lavender bundles. Plants are usually simple and natural, powdered herbs, fig ferns, or small wildflowers. Storytelling through decor. In nostalgic vintage decor tells stories. A teacup reminds you of tea time. A photo frame holds memories. A book suggests quiet evenings. Nothing is just for decoration. Everything feels meaningful. Room by room feeling. Living room is cozy setting. Layered cushions. Antique coffee table. Books plus candles. Bedroom, soft pastel bedding, iron or wooden bed frame, lace details, calm, romantic atmosphere. For kitchen, open shelves, vintage jars, floral curtains, wooden utensils. This style feels like quiet mornings, solo living, handmade beauty, emotional warmth. The emotional physiology behind this style. This decor works because it creates emotional safety. The soft colors calm the mind. Familiar shapes feel comforting. Old objects triggers memories. Handcrafted pictures slow us down. That is why nostalgic cottage homes feel peaceful even on busy days. Inspiration sources. This style is inspired by old English countryside cottages, European farmhomes, grandparents' homes, rural life before mass production. Nothing looks rushed or artificial. Color aging and tones. Advanced detail. Instead of bright colors, this style uses ace tones. Like buttercream in a state of white, dark egg blue in a state of bright blue, dusty rose in a state of pink, faded shades in a state of cream. Walls often look matte, not glossy, softly uneven, lime wash or chalk style paint. Furniture placement physiology. Furniture is arranged for conversation and comfort, not symmetry. Chair slightly angled, side table close to setting. Items reachable without effort. Spaces feel lived in, not staged. Handmade and artisan touches. Handcrafted items are very important. Use crochet towels, hand-stitched pillow covers, knitted throws, handmade ceramics. The speeches add human warmth. Some things modern decor often lacks. Scent and atmosphere often ignored. True nostalgic spaces include gentle scents like lavender, vanilla, dried herbs, old books, beeswax candles. A smell is powerful memory trigger. Floral use, not just decoration. Flowers are not fancy buckets. They look natural, with wildflowers in jars, single stems in bottles, dried roses, pressed flowers in frames. Less formal, more heartfelt. Decorative story layers. Think in layers of history. Old furniture for foundation, textiles for comfort, accessories for memory, personal objects for soul. Remove any layer and the nostalgia awakens. Windows, doors, and hardware. Small architectural details matter. Wooden window frames, vintage style handles, brass or ceramic knobs, slightly on-tour paint, even tiny details and authenticity. Seasonal nostalgic styling. This style changes gently with seasons. For spring, use fresh florals, light cotton fabrics. For summer, use linen, open windows, sun-faded colors. For autumn, knitted throws, warm candles, earth tones. For winter, use quilts, soft lighting, cozy texture. Storage that feels decorative. Storage is not hidden. Use open shelves, glass jars, wooden crates, fabric-lined baskets. Practical but beautiful. How this style is not slick, not minimal, not trendy, not much product. It is slow, soulful, and personal. Core words that define the style for gentle, timer, handmade, romantic, calm, cozy, and memory filled. nostalgic vintage cottage home does not try to impress others. It exists to comfort the people living inside it. Core physiology collected, not decorated. This is style about collecting over time, not buying everything at once. Items feel inherited, found or gifted. Decor evolves slowly. Nothing looks showroom perfect. A nostalgic cottage home feels ground, not deserted. Cultural and historical roots. This style draws from English country cottages like Victorian to Edwardian era, rural European homes before industrial mass production, early 20th century farmhouse living, handmade traditions passed down through generations. The charm comes from simplicity and usefulness, not luxury. Furniture details you should notice. Look closely at furniture. Turned legs, curved edged, soft curves, natural wood grain visible through paint. Furniture may be mismatched, but always ceremonious. Textiles, aging, and fabric choices. Fabric looks slightly faded, natural, not synthetic, comfortable, not stiff. Best materials: cotton, linen, wool, lace, crochet. Patchwork and hand stitching add authenticity. Lighting strategy advanced. Lighting layers are essential. Use natural daylight, chamber lamps, candles, soft ambient lights. No single bright ceiling lights. Use warm, gentle illumination only. Nature inside the home. Nature is not styled. It is invited in wooden branches, stone bowls, giant herbs, fresh cotton flowers. Plants are simple, not exotic. Everyday objects as decor. Functional item become decor. Use wooden spoon, rolling pins, teapots, aprons, enamel bowls. Nothing feels purely decorative. Windows, doors, and textures. Details matters. Slightly uneven paint, softly etched frames, brass sinks, ceramic knobs, imperfections add warmth. Why this style feels so comforting? Because it solves the pace of life, connects us to the past, feels human, not mechanical, increases rest and reflection. This is solo living made visible. A small space cottage styling. Even small homes can feel nostalgic. Use light colors to slim furniture, open shelves instead of cabinets, mirrors with vintage frames, vertical floral patterns. Small spaces feel cozy, not charmed. Nostalgic vintage cottage decor is about memory, comfort, imperfection, handmade beauty. It is a home that wraps you in calm. Visual softness, a hidden principle. Nothing should feel sharp or harsh. Rounded mirrors instead of angular. Soft edged furniture, flowing fabrics, gentle curves everywhere. Even street furniture is softened with textiles. Time layered styling technique. A real nostalgic cottage looks like it existed across decades. Try mixing on very old looking peat, on meat aged peat, on handmade or new but vintage style peat. This avoids a theme taker look. Clutter viscosity, important balance. This style allows visual fullness but not chaos. Rules: group items in odd numbers, leave breathing space between collection. Use trays, baskets, and shelves to organize. Everything looks intentional, not messy. Sound and silence, really mentioned. This style supports quiet living. Speakers absorb sound. Rugs reduce echo. Curtain softens the room. The home feels calm even when silent. Natural light behavior. Light is allowed to wander. Shade contains diffuse sunlight. Shadows are welcome. Corners are gently dim, not brightly lit. This creates a dreamy, beautiful atmosphere. Memory based decorating. Ask yourself, does the object remind me of something? Does it feel comforting? Would I miss it if removed? If yes, it belongs. Modern life in a nostalgic home. Modern items are hidden or softened. Electronics inside cabinets, neutral colored appliances use open baskets for storage, fabric cover and trays. Modern life adapts to the decor, not the opposite. Emotional rhythm of the home. Morning, soft light, open curtains, calm colors. For evening, lamps, candles, warm shadows. The home changes mood naturally. A nostalgic vintage cottage home is not styled for guests. It is designed for quiet happiness. Nostalgic vintage vibes cottage home decor is not about how your home looks today. It is about how it will feel for years to come. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.